joining us now to talk about the water situation is Dr. Arnel Beltran from the National Research Council of the Philippines. Thank you so much for joining us, Arnel. First of all, what is the study that you've conducted on domestic wastewater management systems?
Good evening, Rico, and to everyone who's watching now. The study that we are conducting is about the implementation of Sustainable Development Goal number 6, which is on the access or the required that we need to have access for water and sanitation. But the project is more on the sanitation. And this project was brought by the former congressional office of now Senator Lauren Regarda, where they want to seek the help of the academe and the researcher, NRCP, and the National Research Council of the Philippines to evaluate the need of centralized wastewater treatment facility for tourist areas such as Boracay, or there's a need to do the centralized approach for each establishment. But our study is more on to evaluate the decentralized approach and how could this wastewater management system be applied in the Philippines through systematic review and provide policy recommendations.
So Arnel, in this study, were you able to identify the policy gaps and issues? And can you mention at least 3 of them?
Actually, there's a lot of issue concerns with regards to wastewater management. One is the implementation, a strict implementation of rules and guidelines. And basically, a lot of disaligned policy or standard practices in LGUs and national government are causing delays on project implementation. Another one is allocation of financial budget that will provide assistance to LGU in establishing wastewater management system. And lastly, maybe the absence of or lack of WASH professional or professionals that will assist LGUs in establishing this wastewater management system.
All right, these are the topmost policy recommendations, no, Arnel? But how soon can these inputs be addressed and implemented?
Actually, the challenge with the implementation is more on the level of sophistication that we will have in the implementation and how LGU will support or goes beyond the needs, because as mentioned in the previous news, we still have problem in water resource, and wastewater management is a secondary problem in water resource. So maybe if we check or combine that water resource and wastewater management are the key elements to provide and ensure that the Philippines has good water resources and protection in the environment, that we will have sustainable future, especially on food and water needs.
Arnel, thank you so much for your insights and for sharing with us the details of the survey. Arnel Beltran, National Research Council of the Philippines.